Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about 5 amazing iPhone features. I believe that most iPhone users like a lot of iPhone users maybe don't know they even exist. These are not new iPhone features, but these are great and amazing iPhone features you should know, and you should know how to use them when and where. So stay with me. I'm going to show you these 5 great and amazing iPhone features. Here we go. The first one to mention here is guided access. Now, if you go to the settings and then accessibility, scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that we have guided access available here. Now, make sure it is on here. Now, let me show you what is guided access exactly. Now, let's say that you want to give your iPhone to someone else, or maybe your kids, but let's say that you are showing them like a photo in your iPhone, but you don't want them to be able to leave the app or maybe to go through all the photos, right? Or something like this. Now, here is what you do. Now, you add guided access to the control center, which is right here for me. Once you open that specific app, let's say that I'm going to show this photo to someone else, or maybe my kids, or like a friend, but I don't want them to be able to leave the photo library or app and mess with my iPhone. Now, once you're in that specific app, scroll down and open Control Center. Now, tap on Guided Access. And here we go. Now, here are some precise settings that you should know concerning guided access. Now, if you tap on Start right here, it will just start. The guided access will be enabled. But what makes it more powerful here is the session settings. If you tap here, we can see that we have like multiple options available here. Now, the first one is the side button. If you want to disable the ability to have access to the side button, you can toggle this one off. But I believe you should keep it on. Now, the volume buttons, if you give your iPhone to your kids, for example, they're watching like a song or a video on YouTube, you don't want them to mess with the volume, okay? Just turn it off from here. And the motion as well here, software keyboards, yeah, if you want to like disable having access to the keyboard, and even the touch. Now, this is very important. Let's say that your kid is watching a video on YouTube. You don't want them to change the video. You will disable the touch on the screen of your iPhone. Otherwise, if you don't want to disable the touch, keep it on, and that's it. Now, here, since I'm in the the Photos app, there is like an additional option here. Maybe you won't find it when enabling guided access on other, we could say, apps. Now, this one says delete items. If you want to disable them for deleting like your photo, it is not that like a big deal because you can get the deleted photo back. However, if you don't want them to be able to delete the photo, keep this one off as well. If you're ready, if you're good to go, just tap on done and that's it. Now let's tap on start and see what happens. If it is the first time, it will ask you to set a passcode. I've already set a passcode, but I'm telling you, you have to set a passcode when you enable guided access for the first time. And make sure you remember it, and it is not like the lock passcode that you use for locking your iPhone. Now, let's see if I am able to leave the Photos app. As you can see, guys, I'm not able to leave the Photos app because I have disabled that. So that person will be locked in this app, or just this photo, or just that video that he is watching. And it is amazing. If you want to disable it or stop guided access, just triple tap the side button. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to enter my passcode. This is the passcode that I have set for the guided access, not the lock passcode. Now I've set like an easy one here. Now I can resume and I can end. Now if I tap on end, that's it. Guided access is over. You can get your iPhone back without letting that person able to mess with your iPhone. Now let's move to the second one. Now, a lot of people still do this. when they go to App Store and download an app from App Store, they have to enter the password of the Apple ID every time. And there is like an amazing feature on iPhone that lets you just use your face for installing and even iTunes, we can say purchases on iPhone. For this, you need to go to the settings. And then here, just tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, you'll see that you have use Face ID 4. Now the amazing feature that I'm talking about here is iTunes and App Store. If this one is off, just turn it on. And next time when you download an app on your iPhone, you'll use your Face ID instead of entering the password for your Apple account. So it makes it like way easier, even for purchases. Let's say that you do like in-app purchase, there's no need to write down your password every time you make a purchase. So this one makes everything way easier. I believe you will love this one. Let's head to the third one. Now, a lot of people like let others have access to control center when iPhone is locked. Now, let's presume that my iPhone is locked and others will have access to the control center. Someone might say, okay, what is the deal? Why would you like prevent others from having access to the control center? Now, here is the deal. Now, let's say that you leave your iPhone somewhere like in a restaurant, in a taxi, or someone else. Someone would try like to maybe steal it, and they would say, okay, let's just open control center and tap on airplane mode. Now everything is gone. They will disable the Wi-Fi, the mobile data or cellular data. So this is crucial. This is very important if you're in a situation that you might think your iPhone will be stolen. So why would you let others play with your control center? Now, to disable having access to control center when iPhone is locked, here is what to do. Now go to the settings and again scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Now into the passcode again. Once passcode is entered, scroll down to this section which says allow access when locked. Now here we have control center. If it is on, okay, just toggle it off. Now when your iPhone is locked, let's just try it. Okay, I'm going to lock the iPhone. Now let's see. Now the iPhone is locked. I cannot have access to control center, which is an amazing feature for your safety, security, and even privacy. Now let's head to amazing feature number 4. Now let's say that you want to write down a note or send a message to someone else. Now you guys don't need to write down everything using your finger and the keyboard. No, you can use the microphone here, just tap it and say whatever you want to write down or type to that person. As you can see, guys, now everything is being written without using my hands, without using the keyboard. This is like maybe one of the most underrated iPhone, or we can say amazing iPhone features that people still not using it. I believe this will make everything for you much easier. As you can see, guys, if I had like to write this, maybe it would take like let's say a couple of minutes, but I did this in less than like a minute. Tap on it again and it stops. You're ready to save it, or if it is a message, you're ready to send it. Boom. Amazing feature. Now let's hit to the last amazing feature for today. Now you're somewhere, someone else is asking you to see your location, or they want you to send them your location. Now, just tap and hold on the Maps app, or even if you're using the Google Maps, it has this amazing feature as well. Just tap on Send My Location, and then you'll be able to send your location instantly to that person. So these were the 5 amazing features I wanted to show you guys that will make your life way easier. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Don't forget, share this with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.